Hi students, welcome to Unit 10. Last unit, I provided you a study guide which covers this unit, Unit 10's quiz. So take a look at that, make sure that you're prepared. We're going to be continuing on with that designing identity. I know last week we had honed in on certain aspects. Typography, animation, sound, understanding the important aspects of designing identity, which of course is located in your text. We have naming, creating touch points. Pages 144 through 166 is a great place to start for last unit and then continue on. We want to be continuing on with phase 3. So following the review and the study guide that I provided you, please take this quiz, which focuses in on typography, different elements of design, what's important to the design within that phase for designing a solid brand identity. Read some of these articles, take a look at the videos, and one in particular that we're going to focus on for the forum this unit is how should brands respond to negative comments on social media. This is just something that I came up with that I thought was a really valid point today. All of us have that at our fingertips. Yelp and reviews, regardless, people might get angry and they just decide to post things. When we're kind of bombarded with negativity, positive and negative comments both ways. So businesses are really under scrutiny to understand how they would best respond to something like that. So seek social media. How should brands respond to negative comments? You can read that and respond within the forum and take the quiz for this week's video or this unit's outcomes, as well as review in your text those specific pages that refer to phase 3 of designing identity. If you have questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.